we're going to put the baby off center to the left. And when you're swaddling, not all swaddles are created the same. We want to make sure that it's nice and right and tight in the right places. They can cry the whole time that you're swaddling. It doesn't mean they don't like it. They tend to settle down within about 3 minutes. So what we want to do is put the baby off center to the left, come from the bottom. Right hand here, left hand about 12 inches. Your left hand's going to go to her right hip, come straight across. Tuck that corner underneath that butt. Bring that right hand down, and you may have to fight them just a little bit. Take that right hand and get that hand just up underneath that bottom. Hold it there with your left hand. Cross over with your right hand, scoop from the bottom, and pull tight across the chest. Slide your hand out, roll her over, tuck it underneath her back. Your left hand goes at her waist, pull the slack out. Bring that arm down, fight them just a little. Get that hand just up underneath that bottom. 4 inches, V-neck sweater. Take the palm of your left hand, put on the V, keep your fingers on that arm. Grab your last corner, go up and over your wrist. Hold that arm in place. Come across the chest. Support that head and neck. Pull snug and tuck in the pocket. And that is swaddled correctly. If they're a little fussy, you can do the Ferris wheel and get your upper body worked out all at the same time. Hey, sweetness.